You have not complied with that order.
But it's just for.
I want to know from you. Do you want to say that? Why should I hear you for half an hour? You just take it back and implement them. Senior has taken this court for granted.
No,
You don't file affidavit pursuant to the orders passed by this court. You have wasted just a moment. Please hold on. In spite of all, don't waste more time. I'll increase the cost on you. Call Kari next case. This is not the way your junior would conduct a case. He will argue the case full-fledged, and then when I put a question to him, he will ask that my senior will come. This is not the way. I will. Please don't tell me. Under what provision of law will you deposit the cost?
Give it as it has happened.
He is not apologizing. Only you are apologizing. In the case, it was not on my board. Why did you mention it? It is not expected from your office, Mr. Das. When you have not complied with that order.
We have not filed the matters. Kindly allow me to just show 2 paragraphs from the counter. Just 2 paragraphs.
Do you want to say that you do want to follow?
Just for.
I want to know from you. Do you want to say that? Why should I hear you for half an hour?
We have
When you are not
the benefits which are more than what they are pleading in the.
We do not know.
In the award and in the.
When there is a specific order for you to file an affidavit, do you want to file it or you don't want to file it?
Just allow me a minute's time.
There is no question of allowing any minute.
When
When this order was passed, it was passed after hearing you.
Indeed,
Yes, then why don't you comply with this?
We have extended the benefit of class survey that is admitted matters from 1993. My submission.
If you have extended the benefit from, you just undo everything. You just extend in the benefit as per the award. Maybe that they are at a loss. We don't bother about it.
If they are agreed by the extended benefit which they have given matters and application.
You revise everything. You recover from them. What is it?
Application under 33C2 is the remedy which they can exercise.
But point is, this matter is pending since 2011.
Indeed,
Why didn't you raise this objection and got the issue decided that they should go under 33C2 for computation?
The honorable CW of the rate code was of 2000. They have come in the year 2011. What we have extended long back in the year 1993 is much more than what they were pleading matters.
So you just take it back and implement the award.
If they're not,
you take it back and implement the award. Simple. If you have given them more, right? More than what they deserved under the award, you revise everything, recover it from them. What's the big deal about it?
Agreed by what we have given, which is more than what they are pleading.
No.
Application.
You see, it is not important whether you have given more or you have given less. What is important is whether you have given as per the award. If it is more, you deduct it, recover it from them, recover it from their assets if they have expired. Do whatever.
What is the records will the workers and tracing them will be something not possible on our end. This is a submission which I am making. They were working since 1975. We have regularized the services, we have extended the benefit. It is not that we have not complied with the order of the CGIT or this honorable court. We have given more than what they were pleading.
Why did you? This is which company is this? Who is giving more than what they deserve?
Central Coalfields Limited.
So why should there be an inquiry against you that you have given them more than the award? Let me just understand. Why should there be an inquiry against you that you have given them more than what they were entitled under the award? Under whose instructions did you give them more than what they were entitled?
With the union matters.
Your understanding?
Union matters.
Did it end into a settlement?
That we have stated in para 13. And
is it a settlement?
It's not written as settlement.
But if it is not a settlement, matter ends. No.
Understanding.
If it is not a settlement, the matter ends.
In that case, my lords, allow me a pass over of one case. I'll ask my senior to assist my lords in this matter regarding that fact. What my lords
your senior has taken this court for granted. No, you don't file affidavit pursuant to the orders passed by this court. You have wasted just a moment. Okay. WPL number 7546 of 2011. Counsel for the parties are present. Please hold on. In spite of all, considering the fact that substantial time of the court has been wasted, the matter is adjourned. However, for the compliance of the order dated 26/2019, the matter is adjourned and is directed to be posted on 5th of December 2024. The affidavit be filed by 2nd of December 2024. subject to payment of cost of rupees 10,000.
That's my kindly minus just a pass over one case.
Don't waste more time. I'll increase the cost on you. Call kariye next case.
Okay. The affidavit was already there in the lordships. But that
No,
was
we do not know.
Lordship, can
You
see
see,
that?
Mr. Das, this is not the way your junior would conduct a case.
No, Lordship,
He
I
will
don't-
argue the case full-fledged, and then when I put a question to him, he will ask that my senior will come. This is not the way. I will not
I was
accept
on
it.
legs, your lordship.
When there is a specific direction to file an affidavit, why didn't you file it?
Lordship, that day also.
You
Lordship,
should have said that whatever has been said is
Yes.
there already on record. We
Lordship,
don't want
can
to
you
say
permit me
anything.
1 minute to show if it is not sufficient, Lordship, the order will stand. Lordship, kindly see.
No.
Lordship,
Study next group. Do you know?
I was on legs in court.
So he should have prayed for a Passover. I would have given him the Passover. I would not have commenced the hearing.
Lordship, it
For
was-
last 25 minutes, this matter is going on. Chaliye, next call.
Passover is item
No, no.
21,
Lordship, the
Talukia
cost part may be
4960
unless.
of
No, no, I will not
He is a
take
new
the cost.
incumbent. Lordship.
He is not a new incumbent.
Lordship, he has not completed
No,
1 year.
no, no. In one day, you know what he did? Ask him. He mentioned a case which was not on my board. Ask him.
It is a mistake. But Lordship, in this
No,
case-
this was not a mistake. I will not accept it as a mistake.
Lordship, but
Call
in this case only cost part हटा दिया
Item
है।
नहीं
21.
हटाएंगे ना 20 मिनट मेरा बर्बाद किए यस
Lordship, then it-
ही इज नॉट a novice person please don't tell me
No, no, he has not completed 1 year. Lordship, that Lordship will check from.
no I don't need to
Yes.
he is otherwise very competent he understands what he says in the court it's not that competence will not be dependent upon the length of practice it will depend upon the understanding of the counsel
Yes, Lordship.
he understands every word what I say every word what is written in the records
So I beg
very
apology
very
on his
clear.
behalf, your Lordship. Let it be, Lordship.
no,
This.
no I
this-
will not change my order
Or Lordship may do one thing, Lordship. I will deposit the cost, give the receipt, Lordship may remove it from the ownership so that it doesn't depend. I'll deposit the cost in wherever your Lordship says. I'll bring the receipt and give it to the court master. Lordship may remove it.
Under what provision of law will you deposit the
I'll
cost?
give it as a, if your Lordship says that
No.
it has to deposit it with the Advocates Clerk Association. I'll
The
deposit
only
it
thing
there.
I can do is I can record your appearance also with the cost.
Record my appearance.
Yes.
Lordship, the cost part, if I deposit it, your Lordship, then your Lordship,
No.
Lordship is only Lordship that the cost is deposited. I'll deposit the cost wherever your Lordship says. If your Lordship says, I'll give it to the petitioner. If your Lordship says, I'll give it to the Clerk Association or Jalsa and bring the receipt to your Lordship and show it to your Lordship that I've deposited it. It may not remain in the order, your Lordship. It is a mistake.
See, we
I
can't
wanted to come and I was-
pressurize you to deposit even
No,
if
Lordship.
any.
Voluntarily, I will deposit it before your Lordship rises. And I'll bring the receipt and I'll show it to Lordship and not record it in the order sheet. There is some difficulty there, but it was there in the order sheet. It was not pointed out on the last date. I was waiting for this case. Unfortunately, Lordship, my matter to got called. I was there. I was waiting for this case. I wanted to show it at the very outset that there
You
was
see,
an
any
evidence
counsel
right.
cannot take. When the court is putting question, they will say that my senior will come and argue. This is not acceptable to me
He also
because you do
crossed-
not know what argument has
I had
transpired.
been- I was on legs from there. I was
If a
messaging that
person
I'm
is,
coming.
if a
coming,
person
Lordship,
prays
I'm
for
not-
Passover, there is no problem
Yes,
about
yes.
it.
I understand. He should have.
It can't be like this. Junior will continue argue for half an hour and then when I put a question, when I want to dictate the order, he will say my senior will argue.
I beg apology. It will not be repeated. It has happened. I
He
need
is
to
not
trust-
apologizing, only you are apologizing. I do not know.
There is lack of training from my part, Your Lordship. Therefore, I have failed in giving proper training, Your Lordship. I have not.
You had mentioned the case, which was not on my board. Why did you mention it? Why did you mention it at all?
I apologize, my lordship.
And I was asking him whether it is on my board. He said yes. I remember it so vividly. It was a case of ED or whatever. This happened, and then I was there in my chamber for half an hour, waiting for him to come. Tell him that no, your mentioning slip cannot be allowed. My court master has to confirm everything. It is not expected from your office, Mr. Das.
There is,
Whenever your junior is here, we assume that you are here.
I beg apology. There is a failure on my part.
Ask him whether it happened or not. I was looking for him thereafter. Thereafter, he did not appear before this court for 1 month. But I remembered that whenever he comes, I'll tell him that this is what he did. So this should not happen. अच्छा cost हटा दीजिए आप आ जाइए. ऐसा नहीं करिए.
No.
Don't ruin your career. You are a very good counsel. Don't ruin your
Make
career
him
like
understand,
this.
Your Lordship, it might not have been intentional, make him understand.
कुछ दूसरा कोर्ट का मेंशन करती है यहाँ पर by saying कि उसी कोर्ट का है कि इस कोर्ट का है और ऐसे मेंशन स्लिप अलाउ के दूसरा दिन कोई केस लग जाएगा. हम एक ऑर्डर कर देंगे यहाँ पर. फिर आपको पता है कितना बवाल होता है.
जी,
फिर आप ही लोग बवाल करेंगे.
सबको एक तरफ से Lordship.
दूसरे का बोर्ड का केस यहाँ पे मेंशन करके लिस्ट कराने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. I asked him 3 times at the time of mentioning. 4:30 बजे मेंशन किए. पूछिए. कॉल करिए.
Item 21.